This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3543 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Berkley Decor, Dover Rift Oak high-gloss Cabinetr interior, sleeps 2, self-contained, external shower, leveling jacks, Colorado Detector, smoke detector, awning, TV antenna, air conditioning, slide-out, skylight, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3543 is built on a Freightliner chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.